Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to replace an Acura RDX rear wiper. First, gather your tools, a new wiper blade, and a small flathead screwdriver. Ensure your vehicle is safely parked with the ignition off for safety. Understanding the basic components of the rear wiper assembly will make the process much smoother. This simple task can be completed in just a few minutes, saving you time and money on professional installation. Now, let's remove the old blade. Gently lift the wiper arm away from the rear window until it stands upright and locks. Next, find the small tab or clip where the blade connects to the arm. Press this tab firmly and then slide the old blade straight off the arm. It should come off with minimal effort. Be careful not to let the arm snap back against the window, as this could cause damage. With the old blade removed, it's time to install the new one. Take your new wiper blade and align its attachment point with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade onto the arm until it clicks firmly into place, indicating it's secure. Double-check that it's properly seated. Finally, carefully lower the wiper arm back down onto the rear window, ensuring it rests flat against the glass. To complete the process, turn on your vehicle and activate the rear wiper. Observe the new blade as it operates, ensuring it makes full contact with the window and clears water effectively without any streaks. For optimal performance and safety, it is recommended to replace your rear wiper blade every 6 to 12 months, or as soon as you notice any signs of wear or reduced effectiveness. This simple maintenance keeps your visibility clear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.